Good afternoon. Welcome to Hit the Bids closing comments here on February 18th. Let's jump right in, starting with the index futures. First on the board, we have the S&P 500. Today we saw a nice balanced day with price hanging around Friday's range. Early morning sell-off was met with a rally in the last hour of the day, closing price back above 61.46, which was our bull pivot for the week. This is a good sign for the bulls out there. Expecting this market to press into the all-time highs here this week and lead us into a nice power trend to finish out quarter one. The overall market is seeing support with the Nasdaq as well, finding support at the 22,100 mark. These prior day highs from December 26th and January 22nd. Supported price today, and expect to see this market continue rallying. The Dow is coming to a point here with price tightening between this 44 and 45,000 range, above the rising 20-day moving average. This is all constructive, healthy behavior, and the overall market should keep drifting higher and lead us into a nice trend to close out quarter one. Next up, we have crude oil futures. Crude spent the day in a $2 range between 70 and 72. Nothing to get real excited about with this market. Expecting more choppy sideways action. This market does seem to be pretty comfortable in the $70 range. Got a general bearish lean on this market and could see it push down into the high 60s. However, it doesn't really look to be in a hurry to go anywhere. So expecting pretty quiet sideways action here as price stays around the $70 mark. So next up, we have live cattle. First on the board is the April 2025 contract. This has been a bit weaker than the summer months, but we are seeing some fairly supportive action here early on Monday with a nice dip down below the bear pivot that was rejected and closed back above $1.94. This was the first good sign for the bulls in what could be a near-term low. Expecting this market to kind of find support here and kind of climb out of this $1.94 area back into the high $1.90s. We are seeing the summer contracts with a little bit more constructive action, less downside, seeing relative strength in the August contract and June. Seeing price kind of balance out in a $3 range here with the 50-day average supporting this August contract. Seeing this $1.90 mark as a good value area for the bulls in this market. Just was a bit frothy, bit overbought. Seeing this market balance out here. Should see another leg in this uptrend to come from this area. Just could take some time and a little more volatility. Over on the feeder side of things, we saw a nice rally. They hit the bid early this morning with a nice $3 range right out the gate, with a move back above 270 and a close above our bull pivot of 268.45. This was healthy for the feeders, and they already got the ball rolling. Looks like they could lead this to a nice uptrend week. Should see this thing push back into the mid 270s to start. And general uptrend still looking healthy, looking intact. Everything is good. Just need to see a little bit supportive action over here in the fats to really start moving things higher. So last but not least, we have the March corn contract. We are seeing volume roll over into the May corn contract. So we should see a pretty slow grind in this market. Everything looks healthy. Nice 6-cent rally today, closing above $5 is a good sign for the bulls. We are getting a bit on the extended side. However, low volatility means this thing could just continue drifting higher in the near term. Nothing really looking to be slowing it down at the moment. Just be rolling into those May contracts soon before March runs out of time. So that's all we got today. Thanks for listening. We'll catch you tomorrow.